Good Kelly. Good girl. It's not too tight, is it? No. You'll get used to it, sweetheart. Hazel's first day with her harness on. She's eating grass because I use that to distract her while I put the harness on. I had a couple of attempts at just resting the harness on her and not fastening it and building up trust, which went well. See how this goes. She doesn't look that comfortable to me, but she might protest a little bit, and if she does, I'll take it off. Ooh. I don't think she dare jump with it on. Ooh. Good start. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She's going home. Good girl, sweetheart. Good girlie. Good girlie. You're alright. She's walking funny. Oh, she's taking her anger out on something. You get angry, don't you, Petal? Let me check it's not too tight. Yeah. Good girl. Honey, you're getting pissed off. Bless. I shouldn't be laughing, but it's funny. Come on, Petal. Are you pissed off at Mummy? Are you? Oh, I'm angry. Good girlie. Good girlie. Good girlie. Oh, I see. It's going under your armpits, isn't it? Good girlie. Good girlie. Good girlie. If we can get some grass, take a mind off it. Gilly! There you go. I'll take your mind off it 2 minutes. Good Gilly. Look at your sad face, hmm? Petal, you'll get used to it, sweetheart. You will. Then we can go on walkies. You can eat loads of grass. Yeah. Good girl. Good Gilly. Good Gilly. He's funny how she walks. Oh, sweetheart. Come on. Gilly. Good girl. You can walk normal, sweetheart. Good girl. Oh, oh, don't do that, darling. Have you had enough? Should we take it off? Should we take it off, Petal? Don't eat mummy. Oh, don't get your skin, do we? Oh. There we go. Yeah, kill harness, kill it. All done, it's gone. Oi, stop eating carpet then. You're free. It's gone. She's in a real bad mood now. She's going to rip up mummy's carpet. Get her off. Hey. Go on. This is pissed off Hazel. Typical woman, aren't you? Moody. Some grass. Gilly. Yeah, grass makes it better. There was a girl.